If you're relying on stock headlight bulbs, this should scare you. If your headlights look like this, you're literally driving blind. Today, I'm showing you how to upgrade your old, weak, incandescent headlight bulbs to these ultra-bright Damakanji Lux Vision. And it takes less than 5 minutes. First, pop the hood and locate your headlight housing. That's the part behind your headlight with a little plastic cap. Just twist it off by hand. No tools needed. Now you'll see the old bulb. Twist it out, unplug the wire, and that's it. Say goodbye to a weak yellow light. These Damakanji Lux Vision headlight bulbs come in a 2-pack, and they're fully plug and play. That means no wiring, no error codes, no flickering, no hyper flashing. Plug the new Dama headlight bulbs into the factory connector, slide it into the housing, twist to lock it, and tuck everything neatly back in. Then push the cap back on. Done. Check this out. The incandescent bulb looks yellow and dull, while the Dama bulb is bright, white, and super crisp. The H11 Dama bulbs have a perfectly engineered beam pattern that cuts glare and lights up the road with insane precision. And because they're built to last, you won't need to replace them anytime soon, saving you time and money in the long run. So if you're still driving with old bulbs, upgrade to Damakanji Lux Vision right now. Because let's be real, if you can change a light bulb, you can do this. Visit hidconcept.com now.
Visit hidconcept.com. Lighting the road ahead.